Good day mga tanamams, plantitas, plantitos, daddies, kuyas, atis, inang, and tatang. Today is a beautiful day, but before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, do not fail to tap the subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you will be notified of new reviews coming from my channel. Okay, so what makes it beautiful today? Because I have a new review on this kind of plant. I am proud to say this plant is from my home country, my birth country, Philippines. Okay, so the origin of this kind of plant is from the Philippines. Okay, so what is the family for this? I have read there are two. So, one known scientist, okay, consider this. It belongs to subfamily Asclepiadaceae and or the milkweed family or family Apocynaceae, the dog-bane family. And so, I am going to give you two distinct character for this kind of plant since it originated from my birth country, the Philippines. Okay, first is that of the umbel shape of flower. When we say umbel, just like that of our umbrella. Okay, the flower stalk originated from the same part and then it goes out just like that of the umbrella. Second character that I am going to give you is that of the star-shaped corona. Okay, corona, which is maroon in color, as well as the yellow, green or the green color. Okay, so I am going to, okay, so again, kindly check, no, the maroon corona as well as the yellow coloration of the flower. So those are the two. What about if there are no flowers? What will be the distinct character that is prominent with this kind of plant? Okay, so this is what you're going to look into. The leaves, okay, the leaves are near each other. It is arranged in the stem, which is at the node, wherein the internodes are near each other, just like this one. So kindly check. Okay, so those are the three with the umbel flower or without the umbel flower. These are shrubs. So when we say shrubs, it has the stem which is hard and they are epiphytic. So meaning to say it grows. They are epiphyte. They can as a foliage. Okay, another thing, they, in terms of propagation, we can propagate this by stem cuttings. See to it that when you are going to cut, okay, it is below the node. So kindly check. So look at the nodes which are very short. Okay, they are, the distance from the node to the next node are very short. So when you are going to propagate this, you cut below the node and we can have the rooting at the water, or if not, directly into the soil. Whichever is easy for you to propagate, then use that one. So meaning to say, you immerse the stem into the water for 2 weeks and then roots will be coming out. Or if not, you directly plant the stem with the nodes, okay, directly into the soil. So again, what is the scientific name for this kind of plant? So it belongs to family Apocynaceae, genus Hoya, okay, favorite, and species Cumingiana. This was actually discovered by Decne in 1844 here in my country, Philippines. So again, family Apocynaceae, genus Hoya, species Cumingiana. I am going to write below how is the correct spelling for this kind of plant. Okay, and so the medium, always remember that they like to be planted in a well-drained medium, meaning to say, do not let this be having too much water because the roots will rot. So meaning to say, it's well drained, and then it likes to have in a filtered sunlight. So filtered sunlight, if you have nets at home, okay, do that. It likes that way. During this month, June, I have noticed that all my varieties of Hoyas are blooming. And one thing for this Hoya, okay, if you are going to smell, it has a very nice aroma. Okay, it is the aroma, the scent of this plant is prominent during nighttime. But now, if you are going to smell it, you can have the aroma, the scent of the flower. One distinct observation also is that when the flower is still juvenile, the outer flower, this one, is the yellow is light, okay, greenish, just like this one. But when it becomes adult, this flower is yellowish. However, it has the same maroon star corona at the upper portion. Okay, and another thing, since the nodes, the internodes are short, the leaves are packed. Okay, so if you notice the nodes, okay, okay, where the leaves are attached are too short, such that the leaves are compact. However, for the leaf of this kind of Hoya, okay, they are attached in a manner that they are opposite in opposite. Okay, so arrangement of the leaves are opposite, or the phyllotaxy. Another thing, the petioles are very short. So short is the petiole. Leaf tip is acute. Margin is entire or smooth. And the leaf shape, okay, it runs between ovate or egg shape, and the base is rounded, okay, rounded. If you are going to feel the texture of the surface of the leaf, it is shiny. So they are very shiny. Okay, see the coloration. So once again, this is our Hoya Cumingiana Decne. Okay, why Decne? It is the person that have discovered this here in the Philippines in 1844. But again, please be reminded, when they are the flowers, the corona, the umbel, the flowers are still closed. Okay, I am going to move this. Okay, when they are not open yet, it looks like this one. But when it blooms, it looks like this one. For the umbel fluorescence, inflorescence, they originated from the nodes. Okay, the nodes where the leaf are attached. For this kind of Hoya, okay, along the stem, okay, there will be growth of the flowers. So in between the, just like this one. Okay, and one thing about for this Hoya, what I have noticed is wherever is the old flower, when it detaches itself, it is still there, that the blooms will come out on the following year. as of the moment, it is June. It is raining here in Bukidnon, but then all the Hoyas that I have, the varieties, the cultivars of Hoyas that I have is now in bloom. I have the Carnosa. Also, I have the pink and the maroon color. This one, okay, and another. I am waiting for another cultivar of the Hoya. And so, another thing is that this kind of Hoya do not have hair at the flower. So these are star shaped. Commonly, this is bush. It is named as bush Hoya. Here in the Philippines, it is also known as alisip or laklakipan. Did I pronounce laklakipan? Okay, alisip or laklakipan. I don't know how our Bukidnon friends call this one, but for us it is just Hoya. Okay, and I am looking for the white. I have the big one. I am waiting. I don't. Accordingly, it is white in color. So I am waiting for that to bloom. Okay, so stems are very hard since it is a shrub. So kindly check this one. Once again, this is our Hoya Cumingiana. Okay, so that's it for this for the review. Do not fail to subscribe to my channel, Mommy's Scrups channel, and shout out to the following. Thank you so much for subscribing, Sir Carlo Troy Manalo. Okay, shout out to Sir Carlo Troy Manalo, Asilot okay, again, and Dinka DLS. Another to Ken and to Arjun. Thank you so much for retweeting my tweets. God bless everybody and stay safe. Okay, and I would like to say thank you to the government, city government of the local government of Malaybalay for the free vaccine. I have the first dose last Tuesday. Thank you so much, friends, and please do not fail to click the subscribe button. God bless everybody.